We are working to raise $3 million to fund the treatment of our son's rare disease. If you've been following along with our story at all, you know today I have updates. Our son has an ultra-rare disease called SPG50. Without treatment, he will begin to lose his ability to use his hands, his feet, and it will gradually creep inwards until he can't use his body at all. He will lose the ability to move, to speak, to do anything independently, and as his mother, I will be doomed to watch him slip away. But today we had updates on the clinical trial that we're working to fund for the drug that he needs. It's a gene therapy. We have big updates. Together with 3 other families, we've paid the pharmaceutical company $1.6 million to secure the drug. That drug is currently sitting in a freezer, ready to go, and there are enough doses for 8 children. We have another $100,000 saved and ready to go to pay the pharmaceutical company. So in total, that brings our fundraising efforts to $1.7 million, and we will need another $1.3 million by the end of the year. Now here's the good news. The pharmaceutical company has agreed to release 4 doses. That means that 4 children could receive gene therapy by the end of the year. And while we don't know if Cade will be one of the 4, this gives us so much hope, and it's a huge step forward. We also have a verbal agreement from a hospital to do the administration. The contracts are still being finalized, but this is incredibly encouraging. Now, the current estimate of the hospital costs will be around $500,000, and we'll just tag that on to our fundraising efforts. We don't know when the $500,000 to the hospital will need to be paid, but we will continue to fundraise towards that cost as well. Now, the final hurdle that we're waiting on is approval from the FDA to move forward with phase 3 of the clinical trials. We've already gone through phase 1 and phase 2. This is the final phase. And that meeting is in August. Even though we have a drug that successfully treated other children, we can't get access to it until the government approves it. Now, if all goes well with that meeting, they said we could potentially begin treating children as early as September or October. Well, nothing in this meeting was finite or concrete. It was incredibly encouraging, and it gave me more hope than I've had in months. We could actually see 4 children receive this gene therapy this year and stop the progression of a disease that could take everything from them. Every donation, every share, every message of support, we are so grateful to be on this journey with a community that has been so supportive. I will give you more updates as they come, and hopefully we will see these children receive this treatment before the end of the year.